Hi there, this is Shojib. Today I'm going to show you how to use a dictionary, English to English dictionary, and the best dictionary I have ever found is Cambridge Dictionary. So let's get started. At first, click Google Chrome and then type in search box Cambridge Dictionary. And then click enter. You will get some links here, but I think Cambridge Dictionary would be in the first row, so click the first link of Cambridge Dictionary and then you will be into the Cambridge Dictionary website. And at first you see this white space here for searching any word, so click here and search for any word. Like I'm gonna search complex. For complex, at first you'll see the expected word in big font, and then the parts of speech, parts of speech below the word, and we see here this is a adjective, okay. And then you find the UK pronunciation and the phonetic language of UK pronunciation. There are two phonetic words here. If somebody can understand well the phonetic words, letters, then you may get the pronunciation from this phonetic language. And then US pronunciation, and then again another phonetic pronunciation of this US part, and one more alternative for this. And then people may cross this first part without watching this button. So I think it's very important here. Here if you click here, you would see this pop-up box, and this pop-up box is for saving this word for the next time. And you can save this for example 2020. I mean, for 2020 you have got these words which was unknown to you. So this is the thing you can use for saving your unknown words. So, and then B2 here, what does it mean? B2 means its level, the word level. Is it a very uncommon word? So that means A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. So B2 means it's little bit intermediate or upper intermediate. So B2 means intermediate maybe. And then involving a lot of different but related parts. So this is the word meaning of this complex. If you want to get another definition here, difficult to understand. That means complex equal difficult to understand or find an answer to, because of having many different parts. So that means it's difficult to understand. There are some examples here. You can use these examples to understand a little bit more about the word. So it's a very complex issue to which there is no straightforward answer. That means it's not easy to get a easy meaning. So this is called complex. So the film's plot was so complex that I could not follow it. So we have got two examples here, and treasure synonyms. So there are some synonyms, and also you can get some sentences for more examples. see more results here. If you click here, you'd get some more examples. There are many examples. I think by these examples you can easily find out a meaning of a word, so that's very interesting. And then we have got another meaning of complex. So this is the interesting part. So previously we have got complex means it's a difficult, it's not easy to understand or get the answer, so this is called complex. But here we have found a large building with various connected rooms or a related group of buildings. So learners, look at that and try to remember. Sometimes we say this shopping complex. So I think complex does have another meaning, and they explained here the meaning of this complex: a shopping, sports and leisure complex. In US, they live in a large apartment complex. So that's a great example. So if you want to get more example, you can click here. They are planning to develop the whole site into a shopping complex. The hotel complex was honeycomb of rooms and countries. So there are many examples here. So we have got two meaning. So this is the thing we can get in Cambridge Dictionary. So if a word has different meanings, then you must get every meaning and definitions and examples here in Cambridge Dictionary. So I think I think Cambridge Dictionary is the best one. And even you can find meaning of phrasal verb as well. Put on. So we know what put on is. Put something on. Put something on means they said to make a device operate, I mean start any device, or to cause a device to play something such as CD DVD by processing a switch. So could you for example, could you put the light on? That means can you start the light, I mean switch on. So do you mind if I put the television on? That means do you mind if I start the television? So this is a meaning of put on. So let's get to the down. It's a A2 level. Look at that. Here it is A2. Previously we have got B2. Here it is A2. A2 means it's easier than B2. Put another meaning, to cover part of the body with clothes, shoes, makeup or something similar. Makeup or something similar. So this is the meaning we actually use commonly in our daily life. So put your shoes on. He put on his jacket. That means you can think, or you may think he puts, but put is the past form here, so that they did not add any extra s here. He put on his jacket. That means previously, maybe yesterday, he put on his jacket. She puts face cream on every night. So there are some other meaning of put on. Everything, if you search one by one, if you go down, you would get every meanings of these phrasal verbs. So this is the finest thing. Any word, even any phrasal verb, if you put here, you can easily get the meaning of this phrasal verb or word. So I think you have got the idea how to use this Cambridge Dictionary. You can use this idea as same as on your mobile phone. So goodbye for today and see you on next video. Thank you.